Brief history of artificial intelligence. While everyone seems to be talking about artificial intelligence these days, it's good to remember that this is not something new. Let us gain some knowledge about the AI history. In 1950, Alan Turing published his groundbreaking paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence, introducing the Turing Test, a test of a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human. In 1956, brilliant minds came together, and the new field artificial intelligence, where machines started learning and playing games, forever changing the world. The term artificial intelligence is officially coined at the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, a workshop held at Dartmouth College. This workshop is considered the official birth of the field. John McCarthy, often referred to as the father of AI, organizes the Dartmouth workshop and formalized the concept of AI as a distinct field of study. McCarthy was an American computer scientist. Then the first chatbot computer program, ELIZA, was created in the 1960s. In 2011, Siri was announced as a digital assistant by Apple. AI's adventure isn't finished yet. New discoveries happen every day, blowing our minds with what's possible. We're stepping into a future with AI all around, so let's learn from the past, face the future with open minds and kind hearts, and make sure AI helps us, not hurts us. Thank you.